and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. And firstly, I need to apologise. With all this whip and chat, I completely forgot about Fansells Friday. So welcome to Fansells Saturday. I normally have these videos ready and prepared, but with doing the whip and chat, especially with doing one each day, for some reason, my brain just forgot. So let's have a look at what 3 goodies we have this time. I have an awesome amount of goodies near me to keep the unboxings going for you guys over Christmas, just to vary it up so it's not just whip and chats. I will put links to all of these below so that you can check out the prices, because I can't remember the prices off the top of my head for each one. But what do we have first? Oh yes, I like this. You see, I get a little bit of a surprise because while I ordered them and I know what they are, I sometimes forget. Oh, that's gorgeous. And I like the colour variants in this one as well. So it's like a plank of wood with a heart-shaped hole with a tree in the background. Does have them 310s, as you'd expect, but I do really like the colour variant. I think that's going to make that sort of wood sign pop. And what a gorgeous little sunset in the background as well. So it's a 30 by 40. It is in round. You do get a standard toolkit, wax, a bow and a pen. Let's have a look at what diamonds we have for this one. Some gorgeous colours. It does have DMC numbers, both on the bag and on the canvas. But that's the amount of black. Not too bad, it's only one bag. We've got some nice colours for that sunset. And of course, lots of shades of burgundy and brown. A little bit of blue. Oh yeah, for the sky. How about the sky? Nice lot of shade in there that will help with bringing that wood look to life. Let's have a look at the size. And the symbols are really, really clear. So let me show you. That's a busy section at the bottom when the camera focuses. All clear as day. They do use white on black when needed, but only for a couple of symbols. All the symbols are really, really clear, and they use letters and a couple of symbols. So we've got an equal sign, a question mark and a slash. Apart from that, it's all letters and they're all capitals. And the actual size is 25 by 35. So we do have a 5cm border, or 2.5 centimetres all the way around. But that's pretty. I like that one. Okay, number 2. Can I remember what's in here? Let's have a look. Okay. Oh, so this is a long one. It's short, but it's long. Again, it's sort of got some wooden feel to it, but it's a gorgeous home sign. Letters, again, letters and symbols, very, very clear. Does have DMC numbers, which is always good, and it is a round. So when you look close up, of course it looks jumbled, but when you come back, you've got a heart with a little bit like a straw holding it up. That's the actual image itself, but of course you can see that reflected in the finished piece. So this is down as being a 25 by 60. It's actually 20 by 55. So 20 by 55 exactly. It does come with a standard toolkit, but we do get a couple of baggies with this one. Not much different. Oh, we don't have any 310. No 310 people. We do have some 3865 though. So we've got a few paler colours, but then of course we've got a lot more of your wood and grey tones, as you'd expect. We've got some burgundy and stuff, which will bring in this shading at the top. The light is reflecting a little bit as well. Some more burgundies for shading, and then we do have a little bit of white. So what is the main colour then? Oh, so this is actually consistent of 2. So that is a mixture of 762, which is a grey, and what's the other one? Bag number 14. Okay, so it seems to be that the home sign is quite a mixture of those two. Should be quite nice when mixed together. Oh, and then we do have an extra bag of purple as well. So I thought that was a little bit different and would look nice up above a doorway, maybe, is what my thought on this, because it's not too deep, it's not too wide. Might look nice in the entrance of your home. In fact, that's probably caught it a little bit better. Yes, very nice, very nice. And then the last one, so I can get in this. Okay, what's my last one? Oh, so this one was because it was funky and bright. So this is classed as a 30 by 30, which is actually 25 by 25. And we do have DMC numbers again, which is amazing. We actually have 24 colours on this one. And the symbols, again, really, really clear. Of course, we have quite a few different solid blocks, but then there is some mixture across here. So this is quite confetti, but then you do find that there's quite a few blocks in the other colours going down. But I just thought that was really nice. Oh, posher toolkit. So we have bigger wax, boat, pen with a 3-placer and a few more bags. It's like the toolkits have gone up bit by bit. And then to show you the colours. So most of the lady is black, but there is what looks like some brown and stuff mixed in around. But look at those colours for the background. There's something to be said for such bright colours. They are so fun to work with. So we do have black and we do have some other shadings of brown for around it, but look at how funky those colours are. They're amazing. And I'm really excited to do that one. I do like funky colours. Okay, I'm going to fight with all the diamonds and getting them back in their place. After, all of these will flatten out. I just tend to put something a little bit heavier on it. Quite often, I just put my light pad on top of them and they flatten within a couple of days. They will flatten when you put diamonds on them, but it tends to work for me. So we have Yoga Lady, we have Home, Home Sweet Home, and then we have a gorgeous tree. So I'll pop the links down for these below in case you're interested. But big thank you to Fansells. Love, love, love all of these and all for different reasons. But I do think they are going to be rather fun to do. So thank you so much for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon.